Tip 2: Top 10 Most Powerful Video Marketing Tips to Grow Your Business. Tip number 2: Start simple. One of the biggest reasons people don't get started with video marketing is that they make it way too complicated. They think they need to have a fancy script, professional lighting, and an ultra high quality camera. Nothing could be further from the truth. Some of the most popular YouTube channels feature a person in their bedroom just talking into their computer. They don't use special effects or difficult editing techniques. The lighting isn't particularly good. And yet these videos get millions of views and then thousands of comments. The reality is that these days, people don't expect videos to be incredibly polished or produced professionally. To get started in video marketing, start really simple. Just use your smartphone or computer. If you can, try to make sure you have enough light, but don't overly stress about it. The key thing is to start sharing video. Avoid being a perfectionist. Don't think that you need to have the ideal video setup. If it helps, think of video marketing more like having a conversation than giving a presentation. You don't obsess about having a conversation with a friend. You just talk about what's on your heart and mind. Sharing videos online is somewhat like having a conversation with a group of friends. It doesn't have to be overly formal or nicely wrapped. Just talk to the camera like you would talk to another person. If you really want to create a small video production setup, you can easily do that. You can get lights on Amazon for as little as $20, and there are plenty of simple film editing tools that make it easy to splice video clips. You may want to consider using QuickTime, iMovie, Filmora, Splice, Adobe Spark, and Magisto. The main point is that you just need to get started. Yes, you can make some simple purchases to enhance the overall quality of your videos, but don't let this be a sticking point for you. It's better to start simple and continue to improve the quality of your videos instead of trying to be perfect from the beginning. How long should your videos be? There's no set rule. Really, it will be determined by your subject. Make the video as long as it needs to be, but no longer. If you can communicate all your points in just a few minutes, then only make your video a few minutes long. Avoid the temptation to add filler just to reach a certain length. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media, and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like, comment and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.